Well, tēnā tātou, ngā mihi rā kia tātou te rānei. Rā a tāhua rawa tēnei. Just before we take a step into understanding breathing, have you ever noticed when whānau go out to breathe, go out to have a smoke, they come back quite illuminated, quite in the know, and a lot of people think it's because of the nicotine and the ability to relax and be stress free when smoking, and that is a part of it. But also, there's a technique of breathing that people have not really looked at. In the past, breathing was used to access one's high frequency and also to access Maori. Maori is the life force that is swirling in and around us at any given day, at any part of the day, and your ability to access this depends on breathing. And so the breathing in when you're, let's look at the smoker, grabs a smoke, puts a cigarette, places it in her mouth, and then starts to breathe in. The technique is the same as if you had no smoke whatsoever. You would breathe in through your mouth and then out. Because smokers tend to talk while they're smoking, generating ideas and looking at how the things could be done better. What happens quite naturally is that you're actually starting to relax the body. You don't actually need smoking. You don't actually need a cigarette. You can do this without a cigarette. And again, it's that ability to breathe in with that consciousness, with that awareness. If it makes it better, you can even pretend. Grab your pen, place it in the middle of your fingers, and blow out. This is the healthiest smoking you could ever do. And again, you'll get the same results. You'll, if not better, you'll come back sort of relaxed, sort of ready to ease your way back into the action of work, maybe. So it's all available there. And so again, breathing in and out, using focus and awareness. And what you'll find is you will tap into higher Maori. And you can go deeper and deeper to the point where you can actually live off breathing. And they call them the breatharians, which live off the etheric, sakti, as our brothers over in India call it. As we call it, the Maori, you live off the ri, or the chi of the planet, and you can be revitalized and energized through it. Okay, so the meditation technique is to breathe in and out with awareness, watching the breath in and out, in and out, in and out.